Okay guys, so today I'll be unboxing the new Worx Hydroshot. So I'll be unboxing the content and show you guys what's inside. So here is the main unit of the power jet washer, a brush attachment, then we have the bag for the storage so they can keep everything, a hose, a nozzle that you can change the spray patterns, a portable pail, a foam gun, the battery and the charger, some user manual, warranty card, and the extension for the attachments. So from the box you can see that the portable pail, the brush, foam gun, battery and charger, the portable bag, the extension, the 6-meter hose, and the spray nozzle. So it's actually quite a useful tool for people who stays in the condo, as you can bring this with a pail of water and wash your vehicle outside, like in the image. So stay tuned for the usage review and how to use for this Worx Hydroshot pressure cleaner.